Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to solve the questions think, discuss and write and the try this. In last lecture we have covered the division of whole number and fraction. Let us revise the division. We have discussed the division of whole number and fraction, division of fraction and whole number and division of fraction and fraction. Starting from the division, left side of division is above the division line and right side of the division is below the division line. Then the denominator of fraction is sent to the opposite side of division line, that is 2 into denominator is 3, so 3 is above the division line and denominator as it is. Then 2 will get cancelled and 3 is the answer. Similarly, for the second case, division of fraction and whole number, starting from the division, left side of division is above the division line, that is 2 by 3. Right side of division is below the division line. Then for the fractions, send the denominator to the opposite side, that is denominator 3 to the opposite side of division line, that is we send the 3 to the denominator and 5 as it is, 2 as it is, and the answer is 2 by 15. Similarly, for the third case, that is division of fraction by fraction, starting from the division, left side of division is above the division line, right side of division is below the division line. Then for all the fractions, send the denominator to the opposite side, that is 3 is denominator for both the cases, so send 3 to the opposite side, 5 as it is, 3 to the opposite side, and then 2 as it is, send 3 to the opposite side, 3 will get cancelled and 5 by 2 is the answer. If we take one more example, that is 1 divided by 2 division 3 divided by 5, starting from the division, left side of division is above the division line, right side of division is below the division line. Then denominator for all the fractions is sent to the opposite side, that is 2 and 5 is sent to the opposite side of division line, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, send 2 to the opposite side and send 5 to the opposite side. We will get 5 by 6 as the answer. Then we have seen the reciprocal of number, that is when we multiply any two number, let's say 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, and we get the multiplication as 1, then two numbers are reciprocal of each other. We say that 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 3 by 2 and vice versa. To find the reciprocal, we invert the number, that is to find the reciprocal of 5, we write the number below 1. We write the number in the division of 1. If we want to find the division, if we want to find the reciprocal of 5 by 7, then we write 5 by 7 in the denominator of 1, and then as we have seen, the denominator goes in the opposite side, that is 7 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5 by 7. Now let us discuss, think, discuss and write. Question 1 is, will the reciprocal of proper fraction be again a proper fraction or not? So to prove or to conclude the statement, we try to find out the counter example, and if counter example is not present, then we say that the statement is true. So for the given statement, we try to find the counter example. So for a proper fraction, let us take the example of proper fraction, that is 2 divided by 3. The reciprocal of proper fraction, so the reciprocal of 2 by 3, we knows that to find the reciprocal, we write the number in the denominator of 1 and then send the denominator to the opposite side of the division line, that is send 3 above the division line, and 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2 by 3. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is improper fraction. So we can say that reciprocal of proper fraction will never be proper fraction again. Will the reciprocal of improper fraction be improper fraction? So let us take the example. Improper fraction, let's say 7 by 5 is the improper fraction. Then reciprocal of 7 by 5 is, we write 7 by 5 in the denominator of 1 and then send the denominator above the division line, that is 5 by 7 is the reciprocal. If we see 5 by 7 is the proper fraction. So reciprocal of improper fraction will never be improper fraction again. Now let us solve. Try this. Question number 1 is, we have to find first 7 divided by 2 by 5. Then second, we have to find 6 divided by 4 by 7. And third is 2 divided by 8 by 9. So the division of whole number by fraction, starting from the division, left side of division is above the division line, right side of division is below the division line. Then for the fraction, we send the denominator to the opposite side of division line, and the answer is 35 divided by 2. For second one, starting from the division, left side is above division line, right side is below division line. Then for the fractions, send the denominator to opposite side of division line, that is 6 into 7 divided by 4, and the answer is 21 divided by 2. For last one, starting from the division, left side is above division line, right side is below division line. Then for the fractions, send the denominator to opposite side, that is 2 into 9 divided by 8, that is equals to 2 into 9 divided by 8, that is equals to 9 divided by 4 is the answer. Let us solve this. Try this. We have to find first 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Then second, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. Then third, 2 whole 1 by 2 divide by 3 by 5. And fourth, 5 whole 1 by 6 divide by 9 by 2. First one, that is 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2, that is fraction divided by fraction. Starting from the division line, left side is above division line, right side is below division line. That is 3 by 5 above division line and 1 by 2 below division line. Then for all the fractions, send denominator to the opposite side, that is 5 and 2 to the opposite side, that is equals to 3 as it is. Send 5 to denominator and 1 as it is, send 2 to the opposite side, and that is equals to 6 divided by 5 is the answer. For second one, write the left side above the division line and right side below the division line, that is 1 by 2 above and 3 by 5 below division line. Now for all the fractions, send the denominator to opposite side of division line, that is equals to 1 as it is, send 2 to the opposite side, and 3 as it is, send 5 to the opposite side, that is equals to 5 divided by 6 as the answer. For third one, write left side above the division line, right side below the division line, that is 2 whole 1 by 2 above division line, 3 by 5 below division line. Now we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is a whole b by c to improper fraction, that is equals to c into a plus b divided by denominator, that is equals to 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 division line, 3 by 5. Now for all the fractions, send denominator to the opposite side of division line, that is equals to 5 as it is, send 2 to the denominator, and 3 as it is, send 5 opposite side of the division line, that is equals to 25 divided by 6 as the answer. For last one, same way, that is left side above the division line, right side below the division line, 5 whole 1 by 6 division line, 9 by 2. Now convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is 5 6 are 30 plus 1 is 31 divided by 6. Then we have division line and 9 divided by 2. Then for all the fractions, send denominator to opposite side of division line, that is 31 as it is, send 6 to the opposite side, and 9 as it is, send 2 to the opposite side, that is equals to 31 divided by 27 is the answer. In next lecture, we will cover exercise 2.3. Thank you.